Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and I am back today with another Throwback Thursday. I haven't done one of these in forever, so I just decided to do another one. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you don't know what this series is, it's basically where I recreate one of my old wallets and I show you my old disgusting wallet and the new pretty one. Let's get right on to the video. So first off, I am going to show my old wallet. Here it is. Wow, what a beaut. Am I right? I'm just kidding. I actually made this wallet for my sister when I first started taping, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna make you a wallet, what colors do you want? And I was like, oh, choose whatever, and I made this for her. I was so proud of this too. So obviously the seams outside are obviously not clear tape, you could like scratch it off and stuff. And then there's a pocket in front here, but it's attached in a really weird way where like you have fold over lines, so like you can see this is an extra piece of tape. You can basically just peel off, and I just stuck it on again, and without like this front piece, this part wouldn't even be rounded, nothing, no stickies covered, and I could just I can just rip it off. Although duct tape is kind of resistant, but look, I just ripped a hole in it. So yeah, don't do this. Don't do what I did. Then if you open up here, it doesn't look too bad at first glance. It just looks like one of my regular mini accordion wallets, but if you look closer, there's no color stripe because I didn't know how to do that. This panel is like so tiny, while the coin pouch is like bigger. It's bigger than like the actual wallet, I would say. You can see it's sticking out, and you don't want that to happen because that looks ugly. For the expandables, I did not round them, so the edges are very rough, as well as these sides where you like attach everything. I basically didn't round anything, and like it's not attached like with clear tape and then another layer of duct tape, which you can see you can just kind of peel off. Look at this hilarious coin pouch though. So at first glance you're like, oh, it's just a normal coin pouch, but look at that. What is that? What is that? There's like no room to grab, and look at that gunk. Ugh. There's no room to grab this. There's no room. It's like, ugh. And it's uneven too, like this side is taller. And then this ID, oh my gosh, what kind of plastic is this? I have no idea. I mean, it's not the worst, but like, it's like a little bit better than a Ziploc bag. I don't remember what this was. It was so long ago. But yeah, I did that. And this is not clear tape, and it's a little too long because like, oh yeah, I didn't make this panel long enough because when you fold it over, it kind of like there's literally no space to expand. So if you put stuff, you can literally put like two things. So like this thing, you can see it's like a little bent because there wasn't enough space. So good job, Alyssa. But enough about that bad wallet. Let's put that to the side. Let's move on to the better wallet. So here's the new wallet I made, if it would focus. So here's the new wallet, and I don't know how about you, but I personally think that this looks 100 times better. So the seams outside are clear tape so no gunk gets stuck. Yeah, it's all pretty. It doesn't have a pocket. I don't want to do a pocket because I don't know, I feel like it wasn't necessary. And then the inside looks way better. So the sides are obviously rounded. This is rounded. These are attached nicely with like clear tape. All expandables are clear tape so no cards get stuck. And look at this coin pouch. Oh wow, I can actually grab it. Oh gosh, the Ziploc is very strong. So there's the Ziploc, and then I use clear tape at the bottom now, but you can still use duct tape, doesn't really matter. So there's that, and then here's an ID with actual good top loader plastic, and as you can tell I clear tape this seam so that no gunk gets stuck. Personally, I think this looked like way better. No offense, past Alyssa, but like, come on. I think that this looks way better than that one, and the coin pouch doesn't show over because it's smaller than the panel, which is what it's supposed to be like. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my failed wallet and my improved wallet. If you like Throwback Thursdays, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I would really appreciate your feedback. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and get notified every time I post a new video. And I guess that's it, and I will see you my nails are so long. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!